pennies in a stream, falling leaves, a sycamore, moonlight in Vermont, icy finger waves, ski trails down a mountainside, snowlight in Vermont, telegraph cables, they sing down the highway, and they travel each bend in the road. People who meet in this romantic setting, they're so hypnotized by the lovely evening summer breeze, the warbling of a meadowlark, moonlight in Vermont, you and I, and moonlight in Vermont. Or it's just doing a little bit of Willie there. You know, when I first started learning jazz standards, it was off of his Stardust album, and Willie, I think, does a great job with standards, and so many rock musicians and other musicians have tried to do standards when it's not really their main thing, and most of them fail miserably. Rod Stewart, Paul McCartney, to name a few, but another person who did a great job, two other people actually, would be Glenn Frey from the Eagles and Linda Ronstadt. Both have done some wonderful albums of standards. And if you can think of some other great ones, put them down there in the comments for me. Thanks. I've got a couple ideas on this song, and one of them is a reharm idea. Used to play with this drummer, just loved this idea, and every time I played that reharm, he would play a roll on the floor toms over here. Play a roll on the floor tom, and I thought that complemented the sound of this reharm perfectly. So let me show you what that is. And I usually did it on the third verse. So I'll start in the middle, in the B section, and then I'll do the reharm in the A sections. Travel each bend in the road, So it's an interesting song. The lyrics are great, and not one of them rhymes. And you can update it with fiber optic cables, how they spin down the highway, and they don't go around the corners very well. So you got to put little mirrors or something. I don't know how that works. Anyway, let's look at the song. Starts with a, like a major 13th chord, right? Or maybe it's a 6th chord. Yeah, that's what it is. C minor, F minor 9, and then, put a nice chord with a lot of tension. Just a classic chord is the flat 9 with a 13. And it's easy to find too, It's a B flat, 7th, and then just put a G triad, any inversion. But, you want to keep it, you don't want to spread it out too far. That's okay, but you should add that note if you're going to do it that way. All right, then back to, now this time I put a 9th in, and here we got D flat, 7th, and, okay, let's go to the bridge. So, it's nice that the melody stays on one note here. And as you could tell, I was just messing around in the middle there. I had no idea what was going to come out, but it worked out okay. And then it's kind of the same thing. No, I did that when I sang it. I should go back to the B flat. All right, let me do that again. So playing with those inner voices. Here's the reharm. Now you could, if you want to keep the melody, just go to it there. But I kind of like to do it. Give it a little growl there and then. And I don't know if you always do this little tag ending. Sometimes you leave that part off when you're taking the improvisational solo, but usually if you're singing this song, you would just solo over a verse or two and then come back in on the bridge. That's what you usually do. Well, that's the video. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate all the support I'm getting over on Patreon. I'm putting more and more stuff up there just for Patreon people. You can sign up for as little as $1 a month. It really helps me a lot and keeps me going. So thanks a lot, and have a great day. Bye.